Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the screen masking tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is also available in the desktop version of Read&Write, but may function a little differently. The screen masking tool is useful for tinting your screen to help reduce screen glare and increase focus. Also, if you have colour or light sensitivity, it will ease eye strain. You can tint the whole screen and have a reading light if you need different tints for these features. The screen masking tool can be used on Microsoft 365 software and any website. On the Read&Write toolbar, the screen masking tool is the screen icon with a line in the middle of the screen, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words screen masking appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the screen masking feature, click on the screen masking icon and see the screen mask appear. There will be a screen masking panel appearing on the screen after you activate the screen masking feature. With this panel, you can move it around your screen to where you would like it, turn screen masking on and off, and access the settings for screen masking. In the Read&Write settings, under the screen masking tab, you can change the background colour and the reading light colour, the opacity of the background and the reading light tint, and also the height of the reading light. If you do not want to have a reading light, you can untick the reading light box under General. Also, if you reset to default, it goes back to the default settings of the black background and the no colour reading light. So that is the screen masking feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.